Hello and welcome to the Spinner Clean business opportunity video, and thank you for making this inquiry into this very exciting business opportunity. We are guessing now that you've made this inquiry, you're looking for an alternative means of making money, or maybe you are tired of your current job and want to change, or maybe you have an existing business and are looking for an ideal add-on to your current business activities to earn extra cash, or simply you're fed up of lining your boss's pocket and want to be your own boss. Well, the good news is that this type of business requires a low capital investment and returns a healthy profit. In fact, if you set yourself up correctly, you'll get your original investment back quite easily within 6 months. With our guidance, backup and support, you could soon be offering an all-round external cleaning service in your local area to include paving cleaning and sealing, gutter cleaning, window UPVC and conservatory cleaning. Now, to show you how all these different services work together, here is a recent call out that we did. So here we are in Buckingham. We've got a cracking little job to do today. We've got a 3-bed semi-detached there. We're going to be cleaning the patio with the Slipstream Pro 20 with the surface cleaner. We're going to be clearing the gutters out because they are rammed with the skyVac. We're also going to clean the fascias, the soffits and the windows with the streamer clean system as well. So, cracking little job. 3 different parts to the job, one house. Happy days. Okay, so cleaned the patio, which really didn't take too long at all. Didn't get in too much of a mess either, which is good. So we're going to clean the gutters out now. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to feather this telescopic inspection pole up with the sky cam, and we're going to have a look in the gutters just to see what's going on, so that we know when we start cleaning where we need to be, what we need to do, etc, etc. So I'm going to feather it up. But just have a look at all that rubbish in the gutter. I mean, to be fair, all the way along the length of this gutter it's the same story, so I know exactly what I need to do. I need to take my time, give the skyVac a chance to work, and we'll soon have them cleared out. Okay, so you saw earlier, before we started, that drum was nice and empty. All we've done so far is that, and that length up there. Let's see what we've got. Excellent, so you can see how the vacuum chucks it all around the outside, drops it to the bottom. That makes nice organic waste, that does, to put on your garden.
Okay, as you can see, this is a heavy populated estate. Lots of 3-bed semis, lots of 4-bed detached. This is our target market. So now I'm loaded up, what we're going to do, or what's a really good idea, is to leaflet the whole of this estate. See if we can get some more work.
For your paving cleaning side of the business, you're going to need some professional paving equipment, and we've got the Slipstream Pro 20, the Slipstream Pro 20X and the Slipstream Pro 21. For further information on the Slipstream range of pressure washers from Spinaclean, please visit our website. As part of your all-over external cleaning business, you can clean gutters all from the safety of the ground by using skyVac. And then to complete your range of services, you can clean the underside of gutters, fascias, soffits, conservatories and windows using Streamer Clean, again all from the safety of the ground. To gain extra revenue from your paving cleaning jobs, you can also add a surface sealer. So an all-over external cleaning business is a really exciting business opportunity where you can really earn some decent money. But don't just take our word for it. Here are some companies that we've set up in the past. Have a little listen to their experiences.
I had a life of working 7 days a week, and I'd come to the end of wanting to do that. Opportunity to go on one of the training days. And when I went home, I said to the wife, I said, that's the first time I've actually seen something that does what it says it's going to do. I was impressed. But this, it suits my lifestyle. When you're working, you're earning good money. If you do big jobs, you can earn some very good, you can earn enough money in a week to last a month. Spinaclean have been good. I've had the opportunity to work with them whenever they've been doing big jobs. They've helped me with my marketing. If you go out with a leaflet drop and put price on it, then you can do somebody's driveway before and after and put it through a door, and it's in the right price at £75 for a small driveway. You will get work the following week.
I used to be an area sales manager selling agricultural machinery for different agricultural dealers in the UK. So I'm an agricultural man basically. I wanted to go self-employed because I had been made redundant, and I even was on job seekers for a while. Couldn't find the job that I wanted straight away, so I looked into starting my own business. I did a lot of research, and it's really important to do as much research as possible. From then we did the day's training, looked at the machines. I had to do a business plan to work it all out. To be honest, it's nice to have the support, the background, the knowledge, to know that you're doing the right job out there.
Having looked at everything, your business plan, your ideas, your enthusiasm and your friendliness and approachableness topped everything. And that's why ultimately I decided on Spinaclean.
Fantastic.
The money itself, the outlay, yes it is a lot of money, but I knew I was getting quality material, and the best thing is I was getting the backup, not just for the machinery, but also the backup in as much as business ideas, in as much as contact, in as much as support. I think you and your company are probably one of the best around. I can take this as far as I want or as small as I want. And really it just depends on what I want.
So, an all-over external cleaning business is really exciting business. Now, to help you promote this business, we have a range of marketing tools to help you get those all-important phone calls. As well as supplying all the equipment necessary to operate a business of this nature, we can teach you how to use it on one of our very informative training days. The day starts at 10 AM and goes through to about 4 PM. The first part of the day gives lots of tips on marketing, how to price a job and what profit can be made. Then we go outside to teach you to use the equipment efficiently and safely. After which we return to the training room to offer you some tricks of the trade. An overview of sealers is discussed, lunch and refreshments are provided throughout the day, and you'll meet up with other people who are also interested in starting their own outside cleaning business. It gives us a chance to meet one another, and you will go away fully informed. We know from experience that it is people who make the difference, and if you want to learn how to make the difference between success and failure in running your own all-over external cleaning business, then please contact the office for some good, honest advice. Alternatively, why not pay us a visit at our offices for a full demonstration of the equipment? Again, this will give us a chance to meet you, to find out a little bit about yourself, what your plans are, and how we could help you achieve those plans with a bespoke business package to suit you. Once you start working in the field, it's not a case of thank you and goodbye. We want you to make the most of your investment. You can count on our backup and support. In fact, we prefer to think of it as a start of a business working relationship. Any leads we get for your area are passed on to you free of charge. If you have any queries about a job, please get in touch. We're here to help. We will also keep you informed of any new products, services or initiatives becoming available. You can set this type of business up to suit your lifestyle. Do you want to work full-time, choosing the hours you want to work, or do you want to work part-time because you have other leisure activities you want to pursue? The earning potential for this type of business has no limits. It's very much down to you. Typically, you would expect to hit £60,000 to £80,000 per annum, but with a real vibrant marketing plan, figures of £80,000 to £100,000 are very achievable per annum. Then, of course, you could always consider a multi-van operation. One thing is for sure, your destiny is in your own hands.